How to a day trade. So friends, in this video I will show with you how to a day trade in Charles Schwab. The first, log in your account with your information such your login ID and password. This is the first step, as I say. After that, if you have a new user, you can set up your user and your all information from here. After that, friends, set up your account, and then all you have to do, make sure you have a funds on your account, and then click on trade a ticket. You can see here, this is click on this one, trade a ticket. After that, scroll down, you see this option, trade a ticket. From here, friends, all you have to do, enter your stock symbol, choose the stock symbol, as I say, and then choose your buy or sell option. You choose a buy or sell and quantity, for example this one. After that, choose your preferred order type here, and action, select your action, and then you will be on a review. So friends, this is how you can do, and then choose a type, order, buy or sell, as I say, and then click on place order. As you can see here, this is order place on this section. So friends, this is easy steps you can do. Click place and order, and then choose the market type, market. After that, click on trade. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content.